Hi, in this video I will install the QuadLock mount on my 2007 BMW R1200GS. Stay tuned. So this is the QuadLock motorcycle handlebar mount, and this is what I choose to pair with my Galaxy Note case. So this is really simple. In the case, it's just a normal case with the mount to hold on the, with the hole to hold on the mount. It's a nice cover, really tough and really soft on the back. So let's take the phone and install it here really quick. Yeah, that's it. It fits nicely on the case. Okay, now the mount itself. What do we have? It came with some stickers from QuadLock, the documentation, and now the mount itself. This kit brings the mount itself and then three options with for three different measures: 22 millimeters, 25 millimeters, and 28 millimeters. It comes also with the key and the QuadLock mount itself, and the bracket. So let's go now to the bike to install this. Now in the bike, I've been looking around to try to decide where to mount the QuadLock, and because I have the Garmin mount in here, I think that the best option for me is to put it in here. That will allow me to have the phone centered, heading up directly to me. So I have a 28 millimeter handlebar, so I will have to swap the original one that came with 25 with the one with 28. If you see, the bracket came in this position, but you can easily just untie this, and you can easily rotate it to the position you want. You can also, you see these grooves here, it allows you to just take this extension arm and mount the QuadLock directly in here. The QuadLock can be mounted directly on this part. And if you need more a different arrangement, something with a combination of arms, it's possible to buy just the arms separated. So now I'll just open. I will take the 25 millimeter adapter. Put in the 28. No, I will put 28 directly there. And now I will slide nice. Just need to catch the bolt Okay, now that it's in place, I will just put the bolt here. It's not, don't tighten it too strong, so it allows you to move this a little bit, so you can fine-tune the position. Now, the mount itself needs to go on this bracket because I will use it. Just remove this paper here. And this is really simple. It's the same principle, you see? The grooves here and here and here, so it's straightforward. You just put it in the position you want to have it on the bike. So I think I will use it like this. No, because like that it will clash with the phone. I can put it so I will test it like this. Just put it here, and now this one in here. Okay, so it is nice in here. Let's just try it. So this should be just okay. Okay, it was not aligning properly. So now I fine-tune the angle that I want to have it. I think like this is just fine. No reflections. I think it will be okay. And now just take it and hard mount it on place. So that's it. Just like that, we have the QuadLock mount in place. Quick and easy. Really good. Nice. So I hope you guys like it. If you didn't already, please subscribe and activate the notifications. Leave the comments below what you think about this system, if you have some experience with it, and if you have some suggestions to make. But I think it's really nice in here. It's a good field of view. And that's it. See you guys on the next video. Bye.